Something is terribly wrong out there. A visitor from beyond our solar system, known as 3I/Atlas, has just done something no natural object in the universe has ever done before. It stopped obeying gravity. It changed its own path. Not by collision, not by slingshot, by choice. Its velocity pulses like a heartbeat. Its course bends as if it's responding to something unseen. And now, deep space observatories are detecting rhythmic bursts of energy from its surface, signals that should not exist. This isn't just another comet passing through our neighborhood. If the data is real, 3I/Atlas might not be visiting us at all. It might be on a mission. When astronomers first spotted it, 3I/Atlas looked ordinary. A frozen body of ice and dust, traveling the interstellar void. But as it approached the sun, something changed. Instead of heating up and venting randomly like any normal comet, it began venting in perfect symmetry. Streams of gas were released at exact angles, fine-tuned to alter its heading with mathematical precision. It wasn't drifting, it was steering. That's when scientists began whispering the unthinkable. What if something or someone was piloting this thing? By late August, the numbers became disturbing. Orbital simulations predicted a close pass near Mars in under 2 years. Not a collision, but close enough to trigger planetary defense alerts. Yet the real mystery wasn't its path. It was the energy. The James Webb Space Telescope detected repeating pulses, infrared bursts firing every 27 minutes, precise and consistent, like a cosmic metronome. NASA labeled it an anomalous interstellar object. The European Space Agency called it active beyond any known mechanism. Behind closed doors, the conversations shifted. The word comet was quietly replaced with artifact. Then, everything changed. Just weeks ago, as 3I/Atlas crossed beyond Jupiter's orbit, telescopes recorded something so precise it defied natural explanation. The object split apart, not shattered, not fragmented, separated. 3 smaller bodies peeled off and began moving in perfect triangular formation, accelerating together, their distances locked in a flawless geometric pattern. This wasn't debris, this was coordination. Moments later, those fragments began emitting synchronized bursts of energy, identical in timing and frequency, almost like communication signals. It was the first time humanity ever witnessed what looked like formation flight in deep space. The deeper scientists dug, the stranger it got. Spectral analysis revealed elements never seen in any comet. Traces of ultrapure metals, synthetic silicates, and molecular patterns that do not occur naturally. It was as if this thing was built, engineered, designed for endurance. Even its flight behavior matched the laws used in spacecraft navigation. Subtle corrections that mirrored the logic of propulsion systems, not gravitational drift. A growing number of astrophysicists now suspect that 3I/Atlas may not be a comet at all, but an ancient interstellar probe, launched from another star system millions of years ago, and still following its original instructions. Others believe something even stranger. They think it's a relic, a forgotten machine adrift between stars, dormant for eons, until now. Because every time it approaches a habitable zone, it reactivates. It wakes up, and it's waking up again. Its signals are increasing in strength. Its fragments are adjusting their spacing. And every day it appears to be responding to something, perhaps us. For the first time in recorded history, we are watching an object in deep space that behaves like it knows we're watching it. The discovery has ignited a global frenzy. NASA, ESA, and even SpaceX have begun coordinated observation campaigns, redirecting deep space radar arrays and satellites to track 3I/Atlas's every move. Private observatories are detecting faint electromagnetic echoes from its direction, almost like returns from radar pings. Meanwhile, orbital defense agencies are running simulations around the clock. If this object, or any of its fragments, alters course again, Earth could be within range of its next maneuver. Some experts believe we're witnessing a controlled reconnaissance flyby, a survey mission of our solar system. Others fear something else entirely. The debate has split the scientific world in two. One side insists it's a lost alien probe, possibly ancient, still operating on automated protocols. The other side argues it's a natural but misunderstood phenomenon, something physics hasn't yet caught up with, a quantum object reacting to gravitational fields in ways we can't yet model. But both sides agree on one thing: it shouldn't exist. Because if it's artificial, we're not alone. And if it's natural, the laws of the universe are wrong. Recent analysis of those rhythmic pulses revealed something eerie. The intervals between bursts aren't random, they match prime number sequences. In other words, the language of mathematics, the universal code of intelligence. If this pattern is intentional, 3I/Atlas may be broadcasting. Not at us, but to someone else. Or maybe to anyone advanced enough to understand. Could this be a beacon? A distress signal? Or something much older, a warning? The truth is, humanity has been looking outward for decades, searching for signs of life. But what if life was already watching us? Measuring us, recording us, waiting for the moment when we were advanced enough to notice. Because now, for the first time, we've reached that point. We can track it, we can analyze it, and we can fear it. We used to think the universe was silent. Now it's whispering back. As of now, 3I/Atlas continues its journey inward. Its formation remains stable. Its pulses are intensifying, and some instruments suggest it's slowing down, as if preparing for something. No one knows what happens next. Will it pass Mars and vanish into the void? Or will it alter course once more? Toward us? The entire scientific community is holding its breath. Because whatever it is, it's not finished. Either way, the meaning is clear. We are no longer alone in the dark. Whether 3I/Atlas is an alien probe, a lost relic, or a natural miracle that breaks physics, it will redefine everything we believe about life, intelligence, and the universe itself. So, the question isn't what it is anymore. The question is, why is it here? This story is far from over. Every new burst brings new data, new mysteries, and new fears. So stay curious, stay alert, and keep watching the sky, because whatever 3I/Atlas truly is, it's about to reveal the next chapter of our cosmic story. If you're as fascinated by this as we are, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Do you think 3I/Atlas will pass quietly? Or are we about to witness first contact?